From 1200 milliseconds to 200 milliseconds, here's how shifting from Laravel to Golang made it happen. Hi, I am Shayan. I am the founder of batchedit.com and techcanyons.com, where we build MVPs for the non-technical founders who want to launch fast. Laravel was my comfort zone and it was my go-to framework for each project that I created in that time period. So I was just using Laravel for everything, plus some extra features like Livewire or View for interactive websites. So I created it, but when I was creating a project named smartcalls.com, I realized that Laravel was taking 1200 milliseconds for a same API response that was, whereas Golang was taking 200. That was the reason that I started shifting toward Golang. But each language have different downsides, as I didn't found any good framework that was created in Golang to use like Laravel. So I started learning about different things like microservices, Kafka, and message brokers, producer, consumer, and all that. After learning all these things, how I started learning Golang is that I started creating projects, different projects. So I started with the same project that was smartcalls.com, and I shifted that from Laravel to Golang using microservices architecture, Kafka for messaging, and different WebSocket servers. I created all that from scratch in Go because Golang was not having any framework like Laravel. So that was the main point that I shifted from Laravel to Golang. It took a while to learn and work in Golang because it have a different syntax, and I have to create everything from scratch. And now it's running quite fine and it is working for around a lot of users are sending at the same time, and it is quite scalable. I also learned a lot about Docker in this process because I use Docker to deploy all my microservices on server. This was the reason that's why I shifted from Laravel to Golang. And if you like this video, follow for more videos like these, because I am sharing my journey of how things happen and how I learn. So follow for more.